Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Samantha. This is the Budget Mum UK and today I am doing my check-in for week 1, filling you in on everything that happened over the weekend. Not everything. I'm not allowed to tell you everything, but I will share as much as I possibly can. So come on in. Hello, my name's Samantha and I'm the Budget Mum UK. On this channel, we cover everything from my budgeting and my finance, looking at how I'm going to pay off the rest of my debt, having spent quite a few years paying off over £100,000 worth of debt as well. I'm down to the last couple of thousand or so, maybe 3.5 I think, last check. But we also do lots of other things, frugal living and some hot tips every so often on how you can save money but still live quite a good lifestyle as well. So if you think that is something of interest to you, then I would absolutely love it if you would hit that subscribe button, hit that little notification bell so you know every single time that I upload, because not only is it free, which is our favourite price always, but it also comes with a massive big thank you from me, because seriously every time you do, honestly it makes my day, which is why, you know, if you're already subscribed, how much I love you. You are a legend. This is a bit surreal. I don't normally do my face on screen at this point. I wanted to do it because I really enjoyed Friday's video where I got to chat with you guys and got to be on screen, and it was so much fun, to the point of, even though I lost some subscribers, clearly not everyone thought it was fun. I'm thinking about doing more regular lives, possibly. I've just got to think about logistics and time wise. Just obviously not always practical with having a baby in the house, and he doesn't like to go to bed when he's told. So if you think that could be fun or interesting, let me know in the comments, and I'll have a think about when I can do that in between work and kids, basically. Yeah, so let's fill you in a little bit over the weekend. So if you have not been here before, then at the weekend I was in Glasgow, which is a long way away from where I am because I'm in Wigan, and I was there for a TV quiz filming. It was very cryptic. I'm obviously not allowed to give things away. I'm not allowed to say how the quiz went. I had an amazing time. All I can say is the winner of the quiz show is not allowed to say that they won. And they also don't even receive their money until after the quiz show has aired. That's about 2 weeks after it's aired, I think, in case because they've got like gagging order, that's what we've got. So if the person who won was to say they'd won, they may not well get their money. Does that make sense? So that's all I can say on that. Yeah, but I had an amazing time. It was loads of fun. Yeah, I came away very happy. That's all I can tell you on that, I'm afraid. But yeah, it was great fun. And I got to meet the whole, I don't even know if I'm allowed to tell you the game show now. I think some of you have figured it out anyway, but yeah, it was good. It was good. So let's have a look. I'm going to do my check-in. Obviously, I had a massive spend over the weekend of a fashion, but some of it I'm getting credited back because my hotel was paid for, my train was paid for, and even though I had to initially buy my own food and things like that, I was given £35 towards that, so that was quite nice, which more than covered what I had. But I'll go into it. Yeah, and I'll let you know what else I've been doing as well. So we're gonna go down. We're gonna go and check it out. Okay, so let's do our check-in. I have been really spendy. So let's have a look. I need to catch up on what else I spent there, but I popped them on here because I'm just checking it in now, if you like. So I did go to the hairdressers, and I used my beauty envelope, which was nice. It was £72. I didn't in the end get my nails done. I kind of wish I had, but I didn't. I ran out of time and stuff, really. I did have an appointment booked in. I just cancelled it. I just thought I'll risk it with my own nails. But what I did end up doing is getting my eyebrows done instead. But I made the mistake of taking Holly with me, which meant that she then decided she wanted her eyebrows done, so it cost me twice as much. So yeah, instead of being £7.50, it was £15. So I'll have to bear that in mind, I think, when next time I'm going to get my eyebrows done. So that didn't happen. Let's choose a nice colour for that one. Let's do pink for beauty. You're just about off screen, aren't you? Let's come back on. Can you see? I'm trying to hide my messy desk from you. I've been painting again today. I make wooden craft spoons for educational resources, so I've got a few orders of those in, which is nice. Anyway, so and look, where's my stickers go? I have to open a new set of stickers for no spends. So Wednesday itself was a no spend day. And Thursday I got some groceries in because I wanted to go and get some snacks for my journey, and I just needed some things as well. So that came to a grand total of, find my receipt, £32.39. Sorry, £32.29 that was. I've got all my change in my envelopes in a second, so I will get those out so you can see where I'm up to with that. Let's go for blue for groceries. And I will get some of this money reimbursed as well. So I did actually spend on Friday and Saturday some of my own money from my time with my envelope. But obviously I'm going to get that back. It just takes a few days for it to be credited into my account. So I'm just wondering how to put that down. I'll put it down as, let's put it down as time for me. In this envelope, I also ended up buying some nail varnish because I hadn't got my nails done, and I was planning on painting them when I got to Glasgow, and I didn't. So I ended up going to TK Maxx and buying some new nail varnish. So time for me. As a total, so this included like my lunch, my nails, and snacks as well. Comes to £37.78. So I'm also going to like pop it there as well. So that was all this one. Let's go for purple. Now, it was my brother's birthday here, but I hadn't actually got him a present. I only bought him the present yesterday. But, yeah, that's okay. That's all right. He won't know any different. He was out anyway, and I can't remember what I did on Sunday, but I didn't see him Sunday, so there we go. Let's see, we'll do gifts in this lovely peachy colour. Now, he asked for some sort of, I thought it was a tie. It was like a clamp thing, an F clamp. I don't know. He likes doing loads of DIY things, so. But it wasn't very much money. It was only like £4.99, so I put like £20 on a B&Q gift card as well. So the total was £24. I felt a bit weird just rocking up with an F clamp for a birthday. Anyway, there we go. And that is us pretty much done. Today's Tuesday. I don't think I'm going to spend anything now because it's quite late on. I've got students coming. Not going to be going anywhere, so I'm going to go for it. Oh gosh, I forgot to put down Sundays. No, spend. Do you know what happened Sunday? I was so exhausted every time the baby had a nap. I had one because the weekend just, yeah, killer busy, early, long hours. It was just tiring. But I had so much fun. Anyway, there we go. That's that checked in. So let's have a look at what cash I've got left in my envelopes. Right, so time for me. Got a bit of change from here. Let me open it up. groceries. I'll leave that $5 in it. Shall I? No, I'll take it out because I might use it for one of my challenges. Thinking out loud. Just so I can start it. Fresh. Gifts. I'll just take a 1p out. Leave the other notes in there. Petrol, I've not bought any yet, but I will be doing that, I think, probably tomorrow. And my little beauty envelope. Still got £3 coins in there. Let's take them out. I'm sure they'll find somewhere to be popped into one of my challenges. Let me see how much I've got altogether. Okay, so I've got £12.94, a bit random, but there we go. So I'm going to see which challenges I can work on. I've got this one and I've got my penny saving challenge as well. So I'll just grab that jar. So I can definitely put the £2 coins away in my £2 coin drop, and I've got 2 of them. 2. So let's pop them in. And I'll cross those off. And let's see what else I can do. Ooh, that's on my puzzle challenge. I might be able to get... Should I do one of my big ones? What else have I got? The puzzle challenge. None of these are going to get any today. That's okay. All right, puzzle challenge. We'll go with... let's go with £8. Why not? £8. I know why not, because the £3 will fall out and it'll annoy me. Let's do... Yeah, I need to make this a zip one, I think. Okay. Alright, let me leave this one. Trying to think. Because all the rest is me thinking out loud. Well, what I might do then, let me see what I've got on me. Penny saving challenge to do. I've got £3.90. I don't need that high, do I? Oh, I can do £3.64. That's quite a high one out the way. £3.4. £3.64 plus the 30p, so that's 2 of them that I can go in there. And then I might just be sensible and put that £5 towards my debt this week, rather than a challenge of sorts. So let's put it in my debt envelope. There we go. And there we are. That's me all done and finished. And that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful, and I will see you really, really soon. Bye.